myself. My name is Eko Putimawandani. I'm from Telef TKR2. My number absen 11, and I study at SMK Lens Babylon. Today I will make an assessment video about procedure text. I'm here to give a tutorial on how to make instant noodles. These are the ingredients and tools you must have. First, one pack of Indomie, pan, stove, butter, spoon, plate, scissors. The step how to make it: turn on the stove and heat the water. After it's hot, open the Indomie and put Indomie in hot water. When the noodles are boiled, mix the spices into the pack. Drain the noodles, then mix the noodles into the seasoning mixture on the plate. Noodles are ready to be served. Hello, this time I have completed my assignment about procedure text. How to make instant noodles. I hope you like it and enjoy it. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.